All right, guys. So we put in all the ingredients for our barbecue sauce, right? We're gonna taste it. Yes. So we're gonna leave it now and let it simmer for about 5 minutes, right? Then, you remember I told you that we're going to do rice and peas, barbecue, pork and vegetable? Well, I'm doing some broccoli and cauliflower for vegetable, right? With some carrots, with some of the good old carrots. So I'm gonna add some salt. I'm gonna wash them. So I want them to wash them to make sure no insect or anything is in them. So I normally add a little salt and put it in some salt water and leave it for about another 2 minutes to make sure that no insect or anything is inside of them. So we just wash them. So I have a pot with water, and then we're going to put that on the stove. I'm going to let the water boil for 5 minutes so I could put in the vegetable that I have, that I washed, to put in the water here. You see when the pork go in the oven. So you're going to see when the pork come out the oven now. So let me see it. The reveal. Woo! Lord. Look pan pork. This is the barbecue sauce that we just did. See it here? Lord, it look good, sir. And we're gonna put some over the pork. So we want to turn it because we want to make sure both sides is moist and nice. Well marinated with the barbecue sauce. So we're gonna cover it back. And we're gonna put it back in the oven for another 10 minutes just to, make sure everything is in. We're going to put the broccoli and the carrots in the hot water that we put on. So we're gonna put it in. And leave that to steam. Show them the broccoli. Look how pretty. Rice and peas. Look on the rice and peas. Look how she shelly. Oh God, look how she bounce. Watch it. Gosh. So we're gonna leave this for 5 minutes. We just want it to steam. Once it starts boiling, we turn off the water. Allow it to just steam. We don't want it to be too soft. We just want it to be crunchy and nice, right? All right, guys. This is the finished meal. Oh my gosh. Look at it. Look at it. Let me taste it. Oh, look how it's succulent and nice. Nisha Sunday dinner, rice and peas, barbecue pork, vegetable salad, and carrot juice with pineapple. Welcome to Villa Deluxe.